Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop A515-54-51DJ. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I spent hours looking for a nice and affordable laptop, and this Acer Aspire is what I landed on. Things that were important to me: price, speed, i5 or better. The new Intel i5 processors can turbo boost from 1.6 GHz up to 3.9 GHz without overheating. This computer is fast. Backlight keyboard, screen size 15.6 inches or greater, memory thin and light aluminum. Met all my expectations and more. The only con, and this is being nitpicky, is that the fan vent is located under the laptop. If I have the laptop sitting on my lap for a while and I start to hear the fan working hard, I try to prop up so the vent can breathe. Otherwise, I'm very happy with this purchase. I bought this Acer a few days ago to replace a Toshiba Satellite C55C5241 that suddenly died. Monitor stopped working 3 short years after buying it. I was originally reluctant to buy an Acer as I was not very sure about the quality, was concerned about another review that mentioned the fan was very loud, and was not sure I could live with a SSD of 256 only. Here are my initial impressions. 1. Speed. It is a joy to power up this computer. In fact, I shut it down and then back up just to enjoy how fast it is to power up. I was always amazed by how the Chromebook my son gets from his middle school was so much faster than my Satellite, or even the HP I have at work, was to power up. I guess it all pretty much boiled down to the SSD versus the HDD hard drive. If you are debating whether it makes a difference, I can guarantee you it makes a world of difference. This computer is up and running in seconds. I used to dread doing anything in my 3-year-old Satellite. No more. It is also very fast to write to the SSD if you are downloading large files. Fast. 2. Storage. I have a ton of pictures and videos and they won't all fit in this 256 GB SSD, but is it very easy to solve that? This computer comes with an HDD harness and cable to add an internal HDD, max width is 7mm, and there are Acer videos on how to do it. I almost did it in about 15 minutes. But was unsuccessful only because I tried to use the 1TB HDD from my Satellite, not realizing the width was 9.5mm until I tried to close the case back up. You can buy a compatible 1TB HDD for about $50. You can also add an external HDD of 2TB in capacity for about $60. With either of these solutions you get a really fast computer with enough storage. 3. Current generation processor, Intel Core 5 8th generation. You can check the benchmarks on how fast it is. For my general family laptop purposes it fits the bill just fine. 4. Build quality. This laptop feels very solid and I love the light and keys that the Satellite did not have. 5. Really good overall value. I paid about $500 for this laptop, and if you factor an extra $50 to $60 for extra storage you are at a sub $600 setup with newest, as of July 2019, Intel Core 5. 256 GB SSD, great build quality, good monitor, etc. I think IT is a great deal. I have not tested this for video games or anything like that, but for an overall home laptop it is great. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box.